Hi children, this is your English ma'am. I hope you all enjoyed our sessions, am I right? Yes, have you all completed your activities? Is it easy for you? Yes, now this is your revision part. Okay, what's our lesson name? A curve of colors. This is our lesson. Okay, yes, what's our poem name? The Rainbow. What's our poem name? The Rainbow. It was written by Christina Rossetti. Already I told you this. Christina Rossetti was the poet who wrote this poem. Okay? Yes, whenever we are reading, whenever we are practicing our reading, we have to concentrate. First to listen to the sentence. Okay, whatever we are reading, we have to first listen. Second time, we have to repeat in our mind. Third time, we have to say it aloud. This is the procedure to improve our reading skills. So, first line is boats sail on the rivers. Read along with me. Boats sail on the rivers, and ships sail on the seas, and ships that sail on the seas, but clouds that sail across the sky, but clouds that sail across the sky are prettier than this, are prettier than this. These are the first four lines. Boats sail on the rivers and ships sail on the seas, but clouds that sail across the sky are prettier than this. Are you all clear with these four lines? Yes, let's go to the second stanza. There are bridges on the rivers. There are bridges on the rivers. As pretty as you please. As pretty as you please. But the bow that bridges heaven. But the bow that bridges heaven and overtops the trees. And overtops the trees. And builds a road from earth to sky. And builds a road from earth to sky is prettier far than this, is prettier far than this. Is it clear? Yes, there are bridges on the rivers as pretty as you please, but the bow that bridges heaven and overtops the trees and builds a road from earth to sky is prettier far than these. I hope you are all clear with these lines. Kindly practice at home, read well. Okay, let's go to the exercises. First one is synonyms. Already I told you these synonyms, just a recap. Okay, sail. Sail means what? Travel by boat or ship on or across a sea. If you are traveling by a boat means, or ship means, where we will go? Across a sea. Travel by boat or ship on or across a sea. If we are moving from one place to another through a sea means we will use the boat or ship. Okay, that traveling is called sail. Sail means what? Travel by boat or ship on or across a sea. Number 2, bridge. Bridge means what? A structure across a river or road that provides a path. A structure which is built across a river or road that provides a path. Bridge. Bridge means what? A structure across a river or road that provides a path. Number 3, overtops. Overtops means what? I have already told you this. Overtops means raises high above something. Okay, raises over the top of something. In our poem, which raises above the trees? The rainbow. The rainbow raises above the trees. So overtops means raises over the top of something. Raises over the top of something. So first synonym, sail. Sail means travel by boat or ship on or across a sea. Bridge. Bridge means a structure across a river or road that provides a path. Overtops. Overtops means raises over the top of something. Are you all clear with these synonyms? Yes, next. Antonyms. Antonyms means opposites. Above, below, above, below. Above means up, below means down. So above, below. Second one, under, over, under, over, under. For example, the cat is under the table. Over, the cat is over the fence. Under means below something, okay? The table, under the table the cat is sleeping. Over, the cat is jumping over the fence. So under, over. Huge, huge means very very big object. So huge, there is a huge truck parked in the road. There are huge trucks parked in the road. Small, there is a small insects flies near the truck. Okay. Number 4, beautiful. Here the rainbow is so beautiful. Am I right? Yes, beautiful. The rainbow is so beautiful. Ugly. Which is ugly here? The surface is very ugly. This boy is very ugly. This girl is ugly. If you take bath, comb your hair and dress up neatly, you will look beautiful. Otherwise, you will look ugly. Okay. Happy. Happy, joyful feeling. Sad. Sad means sorrow feel. Happy. I'm so happy to listen to the class. Sad. I'm so sad. Okay, are you all clear with these antonyms? Yes. Number 1, above, below, under, over, huge, small, beautiful, ugly, happy, sad. Next part is answer the following questions. These are some possible questions from your poem. Okay, already they have given question time, some questions, nearly 4 questions they have given. Here some 5 questions are there from the poem. Let's read it carefully, okay. Water on the rivers. You have to answer these questions from the poem, okay. So, water on the rivers. Water on the rivers. Yes, bridges. Bridges are on the rivers. Water on the rivers. Bridges are on the rivers. Where does the boat sail? Where does the boat sail? The boat sails across the river. The boat sails across the river. Where does the boat sail? The boat sails across the river. Where does the ship sail? The ship sails across the sea. The ship sails across the sea. What is the bough that overtops the trees? I told you already, overtops means raises over, high above. So, what is the bough that overtops the tree? Rainbow. Rainbow is the bough that overtops the tree. How is the rainbow? The rainbow is beautiful and colorful. Not only these words, you can use any other describing words to describe the rainbow. That is also correct. For example, the rainbow is awesome. The rainbow is fantastic. The rainbow is marvelous. Like that, you can use any other describing words to describe the rainbow. This is some example words. 2 words are given here. How is the rainbow? The rainbow is beautiful and colorful. I hope you are all clear with these questions. So, let's go to the poem. Yes, boats sail on the rivers and ships sail on the seas, and clouds that sail across the sky are prettier than this. There are bridges on the rivers as pretty as you please, but the bough that bridges heaven and overtops the trees and builds a road from earth to sky is prettier far than this. So, some side words are given here. Let's recall the side words also. Here, boats, sail, rivers, ships, seas, clouds, across, sky, prettier, bridges, rivers, pretty, please, heaven, overtops, trees, bills, road, earth, sky. These are all the side words from these poem lines. Okay, kindly practice these words. I hope you all enjoyed this session. Take care. Thank you.